Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid. Today we're going to talk about food processing blender from Ninja. This is an amazing kitchen tool that can handle a variety of tasks and has some incredible features that you won't find in other blenders. So let's dive in and take a closer look. What's in the box? When you purchase the BL660, you get a lot of accessories. It comes with an 1100 watt motor base, a 72 ounces total crushing pitcher with lid, stacked blade assembly, 4 16 ounces to-go cups, 4 spout lids, pro extractor blades assembly, and a 28 recipe inspiration guide. That's a lot of stuff. And it's all included in the box. Ultimate power. The BL660 has an impressive 1100 watt motor that can power through the toughest ingredients and pulverize ice to snow in seconds. This means that you can make creamy, frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more with ease. The power of this blender is truly impressive. Versatile functions. The BL660 has 3 manual speeds, pulse, and a single serve function for the to-go cups. This means that you can use it for a variety of tasks, from making a quick smoothie in the morning to preparing ingredients for a recipe. The single serve function is especially handy if you're on the go and want to take your drink with you. XL capacity. The 72 ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family or entertaining guests. The 64 ounces max liquid capacity means that you can make a lot of drinks in one go, which is great if you're hosting a party or have a large family. Food processing. In addition to blending, the BL660 can also be used for food processing. It can chop fresh ingredients evenly without any mush and effortlessly mince, chop, grind, and blend a variety of ingredients for easy meal preparations and recipes. This is a great feature that you won't find in other blenders. Overall, the BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender from Ninja is an amazing kitchen tool that has a lot of features and capabilities. With its ultimate power, versatile functions, XL capacity, and food processing capabilities, it's an all-in-one tool that can handle a variety of tasks. You can also check it. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.